we are going to do an unboxing of this Seiko that I just ordered. And here's the instructions, worldwide guarantee and instructions. Thank you for wearing a Seiko watch. Okay, I'm not going to read all of this, but we have in English, Arabic, English and Arabic. And I have my certificate of guarantee, which people complained that they might not have gotten from if I ordered from what they call a gray market. Now, what I'm see this. I didn't order. It says a diver's watch. This isn't a diver's watch. This is a Seiko 5. So let's get in the watch. It's a decent box. That's a Seiko. Get this plastic out of there. There's no plastic on the watch itself. It's a nice looking watch. Oh, yeah, there is plastic on the straps. It's weird that there's no plastic. Oh, maybe there is plastic on the face, but I can't see it. And we are looking at focus, maybe. It's SNK393k1. Automatic, water resist. With the little pillow. You can do something with those little pillows. And you see, it's a automatic bracelet. Is probably, it's a little stiff, but I think it's probably because of all this plastic on there. And so let's see what the time is right now. I've got 9:56. Once is twice it's visiting the time. And we got 9. Alright, let's see if that date flips over. We are at AM, no at the end. So that looks like we are at 9 p.m. No, now we're at 9 p.m. Should flip over the date. Yep, 9 p.m. And let's get back to 9 a.m. What I said, 9:56. It's probably 9:57 right now. 9:57. And which would be, I don't have no idea what the. But you see that the date is flipping over and turning it the other way, and we already said it. We are on Wednesday. I don't know why did they get off. Messed up. Wednesday, and how we're using Jewish months here, so 25th of April. And 25. Back in. And from just that little bit of moving, it already got wound a bit. Shake it up a bit more. Get that. I think this is probably going to be a good size for me. Let's get this plastic stuff off. And I'm not going to need to cut this. Just be able to get the tag off without cutting it. Put that down in there and see how it feels like it's a band. No, I'm gonna have to remove some straps here. And I put it on upside down, didn't I? Maybe something felt weird. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remove some straps. Maybe with the micro adjustments I can get it. I think it's a decent looking watch. Let's see, micro adjustments. There's only 3 levels, so I can only make it a little bit tighter. So yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to go ahead and remove one of those. Remove some pins, which is not going to be a fun thing to do on this watch, but let's go and get off all the plastic here. Did not pay very much for this watch. This is I paid about $70. So I think that's a good deal. Nice looking watch. And there should be some glow in the dark on the hands. So decent watch. I will get take out some of the. It doesn't seem like there should have been plastic on the face and on the back, I feel like. Mechanical movement. Very quiet. Okay, so this is my Seiko SNK393k1. This is the one that was made in, this is Seiko 5. I will put, it's got a nice bit of combination of brushed and polished metal. I plan to buy some, another, I can't even, there we got some nice focus there. And I plan to get another, like a leather strap for it, to make it a bit more dressing, I think probably a bit more comfortable. So I don't feel like the strap is as bad as I heard people complaining about the Seiko 5 straps. I had a Seiko in the past, a chronograph quartz, and that was not that bad, but this is definitely better. Yeah, the pictures that I saw online didn't really do this. Just looks much more. I don't think you see it here, but there's a bit of a, under the markings there are different, it's a different color. It's like a lighter gray. And well, I should put on the air conditioning. You got the 12 and the 6 at the bottom. I wanted something with some kind of number markings. Okay, so I just gotta notice that I'm running out of space. Phone. And so you can see in the back. Nice. So I'm pleased with this, especially for the money. Less than $70. Not counting the DHL shipping, which was another 20, something like that. Decent looking watch. Okay, call it. Okay, and here's after I got it sized, which was not fun at all, but I think it looks nice. What's funny is that after I got the links out, I can hardly get it over my hand, but once it sits on my wrist, it sits on the right place on my wrist. So I'm pretty happy with this for the price. I said $70, less than $70 it was. And so you can check out, I'll probably put links in the description of where you could pick one up. And so enjoy. I hope to make more of these kind of review videos where you can get decent deals on quality stuff, maybe even not so quality stuff. Okay.